Top of the morning to you. It's Crazy Pop here with, well, Bryson's joining us here, one of the crazy kids. And today, we're in the mood for some breakfast. How about you? You want some breakfast? Yeah, we want breakfast. So we're gonna make some breakfast burritos or breakfast wraps, whatever you want to call them. We'll make it on the Blackstone Griddle. It's real simple to do. Love making these things. Breakfast on the Blackstone, you can't go wrong. You just can't. Be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, hit that bell notification, don't miss anything out. And also, look down below and connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. We got an email down there. And if you feel like, giving us something to us, we got a PayPal down there also. Check all that out, and let's show you what we're gonna get cooked with today. You wanna show them? All right, let's show y'all. All right, we're gonna do, basic, simple things. We got some eggs and, of course, tortillas to wrap with. We got some cheese. We got some ham and onions about there. Got some bacon. And instead of using bulk sausage, we decided to use some smoked sausage. And in mine, I'm gonna use some crushed red pepper also. Of course, we got some butter back there to for the tortillas. So let's get to putting this thing together. All right, Bryson, let's go ahead and throw us some this smoked sausage on here. Okay, let's go ahead and get our bacon going. Gotta have bacon, don't we? Always gotta have bacon. You wanna do one? Okay. Yeah, you do that one. Put on it easy. Just lay it on there. There you go. Get all this bacon going, the sausage going. You gonna put that one on there? Okay. Put that one on there. Just lay it on there. Just right here is fine. I love cooking with these kids. That's good, right there.
That one's getting done quick.
It is. Let's go ahead and get our ham on here. Just diced up pieces of ham. Get our onion on here. Oh man, all this is gonna be good together, ain't it? Yes, sir, buddy.
I'm not gonna do the onions.
You're not gonna do the onions?
I'm gonna do the egg, and the cheese.
Well, you're just gonna do everything then, ain't you? Except onions. What we're gonna do now is just kind of cook everything down.
And except for them hot things over there.
Let's move these onions over here in this bacon grease. How's that? Okay, it's hot out here, ain't it? All right, go ahead.
No, that's hot.
Oh, the griddle's hot? Yeah, I know it. This ham flipped around here. This ham here is just old, just lunch meat ham we diced up. But it makes for real good in sandwiches and, well, breakfast wraps also. Get this sausage a good stir. It's about done. Now I have this side off over here. So when stuff gets done, we will just slide it over there. We give these onions a little stir again. We're just trying to get them cooked down just a little bit. Soften them up some. Because don't nothing say I love you like onion breath in the morning. So you have to have onion in everything you do. Now this sausage is pretty much done. We're just gonna move this over here now. It'll stay warm right where it's at. think this ham's pretty much done too. We'll move it over too. All we lack now is getting this bacon done. And we're gonna go ahead and slide the onions over also. They're pretty much done. Bryson's done come back, he got him something to drink. With his Lego cup. Now, I don't want my bacon extra crispy. I mean, I want it done, but I don't want it extra crispy inside my wrap. So these are not far from being done. So what we'll do is, we'll slide these on over. Now comes the fun part, the eggs. Now I'm gonna get the eggs real quick, okay? Okay, wait a minute, I'll help you. You can help scramble them, okay?
I'm gonna pop the bubble.
You gonna pop the bubble? All right, let me get them mixed up good, okay? First, okay?
You wanna pop one?
Here, pop one. Take it, hurry. Pop that one. Pop it. There you go. All right, let me see that. All right, let's get these scrambled up here.
I wanna do that.
You wanna scramble them up? Can you do that?
You're saying scramble.
Can you do that? Can you scramble them up?
I think so.
You think so? Well, what say we let you try it? You wanna try it? Here you go. Try scrambling them up. Let's see how good your scrambling game is. There you go, that'll work. All right. Not bad for your first time ever scrambling eggs. It's all right.
What if they get burned?
Well, we're not gonna let them get burned. I think this bacon over here is done also. We'll just put it back here. Get these eggs done real quick and we will start putting these things together. What you think? They gonna be good? Yeah. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna put a little butter down. No, I got the butter, it's hot. See?
What do we do with the butter?
It's right there. And then we're gonna throw a tortilla down just to warm it up a little bit. All right, I'm gonna make mine now, man. Okay? Give me some egg. Let's see, I want some sausage.
Bacon.
Some bacon. Let's turn that side off. There, okay?
And
Some onion, yeah, some onion. You know how I like mine, don't you? Listen at you. Some ham. I'm about to overstuff it, ain't I?
some cheese.
And some cheese.
And some jalapenos.
No, I don't have any jalapenos. That's what I got some crushed red pepper though I'm gonna sprinkle in there.
You said they were jalapenos.
And then we'll take it and we'll put it up here and we'll wrap this booger. You wrap the booger? Right there.
Like a taco.
Yep, kind of like a taco. I didn't fold it quite right, but it's all right. There we go. Kind of ugly, but it's gonna be good. Kind of crispy. Get all this out of the way.
The fire.
Yeah, I turned it off.
Why do I use
All right, let's try these things out. You ready to try them out? All right, we got them finished up. Hey, mine ain't pretty, but it's gonna be good. What about yours? You gonna be good? Yeah. Let's try them out. So, let's see what we got here. Man,
You didn't
that food
let-
falling out.
You didn't, you didn't let me count down to 5.
Oh, okay, go ahead. Count down to 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right. They're good? Yes, sir. Man, make these things for breakfast. They're easy to take with you. They're easy to just go on. Hey, just sit at home and eat them. I don't care how you do it. They're good. Put whatever you want in them. It's kind of what we like in them. I like to put a little salsa in mine sometimes. Can't never go wrong with salsa. So, try them out. Let us know in the comments down below what you think. While you're down that way, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell notification. And what are we going to do with the video? What are we supposed to... Give it a thumbs up, Bryson. It's always thumbs up. And hey, check us out below. Like I told you earlier, check out our links down below. We got Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and email. If you feel like supporting the channel in any kind of way, we really appreciate it. There's a PayPal link down below. And hey, be sure to check out our other videos while you're looking around. If you're looking for other recipes that we may have done, we have a recipe playlist. Check that out. So until next time, we'll see you.